So I am at the model home for Pacific Lifestyles. This is a single level floor plan. I believe it's just over 2,000 square feet. It is at Cedars Landing in Battleground, but I just thought this was such a cool floor plan. I wanted to take you on a quick walkthrough of it. So I'm standing in the entry, and it's got its built-in alcove and kind of a cool glass door. And I love how we have this long hallway, but it's broken up with the two closets and this really cool alcove, which is beautiful. So you've got an office space or bedroom. And then your guest bath. And I love the fixtures in here. These champagne bronze is really pretty. Here is the vanity with the champagne bronze pulls, the square sinks, and then the guest bedroom. Very cute. And it's going down the hallway. And we have a cute powder room bath here too. And then we open up into the kitchen. I love this huge wall of windows. It's pretty great. Love the shiplap on the fireplace. One of the cool features that Pacific Lifestyles offers is this neat gas fireplace in the corner off the patio. And they did this whole wall of tile, which is pretty cool. Got the expanded island. And you're also getting the champagne bronze fixture with the sink. Very pretty. And this has the gourmet kitchen with the double ovens and the microwave. Really nice walk-in pantry. And the master bedroom is pretty good sized. I did this cool black accent wall. And the barn door. And then on the bathroom, got the double vanity. This is kind of interesting. Subway tile they have as a backsplash up the whole wall. And you've got your soaking tub and the mud set shower with the frameless door. You've got your water closet and your walk-in closet. Very pretty. So again, this is at Cedars Landing. in Battleground, Pacific Lifestyles. This is the model home out here. So hope you enjoyed the tour. Have a great day.